Calico Rapid River is now closed, everyone, and there's no water. There's no water. For the Calico Rapid River, there's no water. I just wanna see, look, they're building something. Look, there's no water. They're building something over there. What the heck? They're building. I love that ride, but they closed down. Calico Rapid River is closed. Calico Rapid, look, the bear. The Calico Rapid River is closed, and the bear is right there. The bear, look, the bear, the bear. The bear is right there. Ted. Right there. What? It's closed. I wonder what are they gonna. They even have the lion. Is it a lion? What is that? I believe that's a lady lion. A girl lion. That's what I think it is. This one express. What? Express table. And then no more water. There are no water. No water in Calico. I love this ride.
We're right by there.
This Calico Rapid River is now closed. Look, there's no water. Goodbye water is closed. Look, there's no water there. So sad. There's no. Maybe May. Maybe in some. May. Okay, don't. Sorry. Don't forget to like and subscribe.